Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to bypass Cash App identity verification. All right, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the upper right corner to access your account settings. From there, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. In this section, you'll find the Verify Your Identity option. Tap it to begin. Cash App will prompt you to enter basic personal information, including your date of birth, the last four digits of your social security number, and your residential address. Now, if you want to bypass this step, there's no official method within the app to skip verification. However, here's what you can do instead. Stick to features that don't require identity verification. This includes sending and receiving standard Cash App payments under a certain limit. Avoid trying to access features like Bitcoin transactions, stock purchases, or increasing your transfer limits. These require verification. If you're only using the app to receive smaller payments or send money to friends, you don't need to verify your identity. Just keep your transactions within the basic thresholds set by Cash App. Trying to use fake information or IDs may lead to account restrictions or permanent bans. Always use caution and stay within the guidelines. So, that's basically how you can bypass Cash App identity verification. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.